Hello friend, this is Noor Siddiqui. Today in this video I am going to show you how to assign permission to user and group. Using this permission you can protect and secure your confidential data in your computer. Unauthorized user cannot access your confidential data if you restrict using these NTFS permission. These permission can be assigned to user and group. If you have a multiple user on your local computer or laptop, create user account with everyone and assign permission and restrict that user with permission to access your confidential file and folder. Let's see how to assign user and group permission on particular file and folder. For assigning permission, go to the folder you want to assign user and group permission. Here you can see I have a lot of folder. So right click the folder, get properties. Here it's a folder properties. Click on security tab, or after clicking on security tab you will see access control list window. On the top of portion you will see the user and group already added. This is a default user and group. On the second portion on the bottom you will see the permission assigned to that user and group. These are the permission type: full control, modify, read and execute, list folder content, read and write. Let's see what is the default permission assigned authenticated user. This is the default permission: read, write, read, list folder, read and execute. All the user which is created on the local computer by default assigned read and execute, read, list folder content permission. This is a default permission which is assigned to all user. If you want to assign additional permission, accept it. If you want to restrict any user from accessing file and folder, you can restrict by denied permission. Click denied. That user will not able to access your folder or file. But remember, denies permission always override all allowed permission. It means that user will not able to access any file and folder if you assign denied permission. So for assigning permission, click add the user you want to assign permission, user or group. Here you can click advanced, find if you don't remember user and group. Here you can add user. Here you can see this is a default permission. This is also called inheritance permission: read and execute, list folder content and read. If you want to assign more than this permission to this user, you can assign. You can click modify. It means this user can modify content of folder. It can also delete the folder. It can also modify content of file. If you don't want to assign any permission to this user, just click deny permission and apply. This user will not able to access this folder anymore if you assign denied permission. So whenever this user log in into using its credential and try to access this software, will not able to access. A pop-up will appear, says you currently don't have permission to access this folder. So in this way you can assign permission to user and group and protect your confidential file and folder from being accessed. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Keep watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.